All right, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Lucid. It's been a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months since I did a price prediction for this stock, and seemingly it looks like it only goes down anyway. So I don't know why people are creating content trying to persuade people that this stock is a buy. When you see the majority of the historical history of this market in Lucid, it just goes down. We did a price prediction in Lucid. You guys can see it for yourself. Looking for the market to go higher. It exceeded these first two sell pockets, right? And then it came right here to our third, and that's when the market fell off. So yeah, we was pretty accurate in where we felt price was going to go. It just didn't get to the very top of that sell pocket. It only hit the bottom, which it does happen. But yeah, I still like the prediction. It did play out well for us. So hopefully you guys saw the same thing prior to the market move to the downside in Lucid. We're going to go ahead and get rid of it. So right here on, what was this, October the 6th, that would have harnessed maybe like 19, almost 20%. Yeah, 19.67% right there. So let's go ahead and delete these pockets of selling and buying, because this market here in Lucid is definitely weak. We're not seeing any buyers yet. And the next thing we're going to do is add, as price goes down, we're going to add more sellers, more areas of selling hitting this stock. So there's one right there. Here's one right here. Okay. There's definitely some sellers right there. And sellers here. So yeah, this market has a lot of points to where price hit and then sellers dumped in the market and price went right back down. Okay, there's definitely some selling going on right over here. We might have to break this on the hourly chart to really see where they're at, but we'll keep it there. And now let's look at this on the 2 for Lucid. Okay, again, the only emphasis that we can see buyers is right here on this 2-day bar. Okay, so we're going to create a pocket of buying down here. But since it's the first one in such a long period of time, I don't think I'm gonna give this a lot of credibility yet. I need to see more emphasis of holding of price before I begin to say this market looks to go up higher. Here it is on the 3. Okay, undo on the 4. And let's look at this on the 5. So a good thing here on the 5 is that we definitely saw a massive spread occur on this 5-day bar, but we really didn't see any follow through. So like I told you, this could go into the same bucket of us understanding and noticing that there could be buyers now approaching this stock, trying to keep it supported. We might be seeing that right now. Here it is on the weekly. Okay, so the same thing here on the week. Weakness on that weekly bar, market went up the next. Okay, so the 2 weeks, definitely still weak there. Here it is on the 3. Quick look on the market from Lucid's standpoint on the 3. Still looking weak there. 5. Oh man, that's still weak too. So yeah, the long-term charts in Lucid doesn't look bullish at all. Not yet. Here it is on the monthly chart too. So yeah, weak all the way around. Here it is on the 11-hour chart. We're trying to identify these new areas of selling. Okay, so I like this one. I like where that one is. I like where that one is too. Definitely might need to make one here. Take a look at Lucid on the 5-hour chart. Got some small buying that came in. Just a small buying. Here it is on the 3. Okay, so we can go ahead and create this buying area right here for Lucid. It was good to see Lucid break this sell pocket right here. It was good to see that occur, but I mean, came right back into it. So that still gives me confirmation that this stock is still weak. So let's run that into a sell pocket. So hopefully you guys can begin to see that, yeah, this is not an opportunity right now to come in and purchase Lucid unless we get a bounce right around here. If we see this market bouncing Lucid here, then yeah, So that's in between 1240 to 1250. If you see the market bounce there, I'll even give an opportunity to come to this point. And then we may see the market continue its move to the upside. So we might see that tomorrow. Okay. Might see it tomorrow, but I'm not convinced yet. I am not convinced that this downtrend is now broken. We'll need something like, to me, this much volume coming to the market to stop this move to the downside. And we just don't have that yet. Okay. So I'm done. What we're going to do is we are going to play the move to the downside. Let's just see if it's worth it. Because we're just going to target those pockets to the downside for Lucid. So like 8% on these other two buy pockets, maybe 3 to 1%. Yeah, I'm not going to even deal with that. But yeah, I still suspect that the market weakness is still present though. So I'm going to leave that here. And that would be my general consensus, is that this stock is still weak. I'll need to get more emphasis of price bouncing on one of these three pockets before I look for the market to begin to go up higher in price. So we already got that laid out. So we just need to let the market do what it do. And then we'll come back and drop another idea to see if the price is still willing to go up. I'm done. You guys are up next. Let me know. Make sure you guys maintain profit. And as always, trade different.